for you. And I kid you not, this next episode is again Yamaha XT related. Because I'm free. Ow! We've got another Yamaha XT related video. And it's going to be straightforward. We are going to, or I'm going to show you the factory noise from a factory XT660R. I'm talking default, out the box, existing exhaust systems, existing cats, existing exhaust pipes. And what does the Yamaha system make the XT sound like? Whoa. You're going to find out right here, right now.
It's showtime.
And as you can see, the XT660R, her factory cans are quite big and quite enormous.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
They have actually got a lot of sound deadening and a lot of material packed into those cans that reduces the noise of this Yamaha engine significantly.
Wow, cool, wait a minute. The f***?
You see they're quite long cans, but what does she sound like? Idle.
Oh my god!
This whole thing fucking sucks!
But that is very quiet. I mean, that's so quiet you wouldn't know that that is a 660cc single-cylinder engine.
What? What the fuck?
That's how quiet the exhaust note is. And you could tell that a lot of the exhaust note was really held back. So I hope that helped everyone at Luke Rides. You have just heard the natural sound of a factory Yamaha XT660R. Yeah. It's a very quiet noise.
Somebody put me back in the fridge.
And that's no good. That engine should be banging and singing, but it's not. And that is the negative of the 660 XT660R. There's enough time with that noise, and you will start going apeshit and going, I'm really bored of my XT. That's not a nice place to be, is it, everyone? Don't go there. They need to replace those exhaust systems. They suck. They suck.
God fucking damn it!
I've heard, everyone, the idle revs, and also what a factory XT660R using its factory Yamaha exhaust cans and exhaust system sounds like here at Luke Rides. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in the next episode of Luke Rides. Thanks, guys. Catch you later.
The way we...
The little rascal has spewed. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, kid.
Whoa, yeah! Oh, I got a bit of a tail there! Yeah. Honestly, no forest is harmed in the making of this video. This Motovlog, she got a fucking tail out! Yo! Yamaha XT660R, baby!
Oh, behave.